Now let's take a look at a few conditionals, a few hypotheticals, because I want to make an important point about the meaning, and it's a point that people, well, in general, people understand it. They're not careful, and they sometimes lose sight of this fact. And we'll look at some prospect. Sometimes when I do this, I figure some of the students who really, really dislike something that looks like mathematics, come to hate me as a result of this. So they want to eliminate me. Bad joke, okay. But we're going to think of a couple of conditionals where it's the end of the conditional is my death. And here's one that seems to be true, right? If my head is detached from my body, then I'll die. Now think about it. If that one is true, which it is true, guys, right? If your head's detached from your body, and if you're worried about it that they could reattach it or something, let's say if it's detached for 10 minutes and not connected to anything, but let's not get technical. If my head's detached from my body, then I'm going to die. Now, from the fact that I will die, does it mean my head's going to be detached from my body? Well, no, because if my leg's cut off from my body and nothing happens, I'm going to die, right? I'm going to bleed to death that way. Or if somebody puts a bag over my head and suffocates me, then I'm going to die. If somebody shoots me right through the heart, I'm going to die. Right? So all of these things are conditionals. The end result of each of the first conditions is the same thing, that I die. So notice the only way this works is if the first one is true, then the second one is true, not the other way around. Here's another one. If somebody electrocutes me, I die. Right? There are many, many, many things that can result in my death. So when you say if something happens, then I die, and I don't die, or I am dead, it doesn't mean that one happened, right? Because here we have 5 different things, that conditionals that are true. The result of all of them is that I die, right? So it can happen in different ways. So from the fact that I die, you cannot get the if. It's like getting the if then going backwards. Okay, so, and the following conditionals were all true. Sorry about that. That should have popped up in the beginning.